Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kapita-kitagang mga bisita. So ayan, welcome to the Late Night Cucumber Show. Alright, come on, rapak naman dyan! Woo! At alam nyo ba, sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay ang ating inimbitang guest ay isang, walaan nyo, isang mamamatay tao. Mantakin mo yun? Nag-invite tayo ng mga mamamatay tao sa ating show. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Joker. Joker! Siya si Joker! Maniwala kayo, siya si Joker. Si Joker. Tangina mo ka ng malandi. So ayun na nga, Joker.
Mas malandi ka!
Hindi tayo. O yun o. Ang pagkasal mo. Anyway, gusto ka naman, Joker. Pagpakita ka sa ating gusto ang buhay mo sa audience natin.
I just killed 10 people yesterday. I'm planning to kill more people tomorrow.
Sige, given isa ka masapista, sadista, mamamatay tao. Gaano ba kasaya from let us rate 10 out of 10?
10! What's that?
Ito yung award mo. Ito yung award mo ngayon.
Can you check your pocket?
May pocket? Bakit naman?
I got an apple there.
May pocket?
Ano yan?
Ako ka! Patumba! Tingnan ka! Ano to? So, yun na nga. Marami kang mga pinasabog na mga syudad. Hindi ka tumitigil sa panggugulo sa aming syudad. Ano? Lagi ka nakakatakas sa kulungan.
I love that!
Ano ba gusto mong gagawin sa buhay talaga?
I love killing people. It makes me so happy. Why are you not laughing? You want something more funnier?
Mali atang pinatawag ko dito.
Can you stand up?
Ano mo tawag mo? Huwag mo na yan! Umalis ka na dito. Umalis ka na dito. Ay, yun na po, yun na po. Pag-alis na po siya. Parang hindi na kami nagkakaintindihan.
You want me to make you laugh?
They live happily ever after. And that concludes our recitals for tonight. And I welcome back on stage the batch 5 of Bakit Weston. Look for the cucumber. There.
I need that cucumber.
There, you need a cucumber. Okay, can you please introduce yourselves to our audiences from here to there?
Hi, my name is Rachel Coco.
Hi, my name is Marlon Kiik.
Hello everyone, my name is RJ Fansol.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali Saleh.
I'm Aerosol.
Shagum, here. Ako po si Kyle Sibayan. I'm Julius Lumiket.
Hello everyone, I'm Alfred Bowie.
I'm Janice. Hello.
And thank you, they're the 10 batch 5 members of the Bakit Weston recitals tonight, and they've been part of a 2-day workshop since yesterday, and they actually, devoted their free time to rehearse and to really work on their subject, their text, because they only created all these choices of text last night. So please give them a round of applause. So as part of our program, we will allow a few questions from the crowd. If you have any questions, concerns, PG concerns, parental guidance concerns, and talk back, the community. Yeah, violent reaction, especially kay RJ.
Question.
Yes, go ahead.
Si Shagam.
Shagam.
How does it feel? How does it feel? Congratulations, Sir Evans.
Kailangan ko ba i-share yung ano ko? Shagam. Hindi naman. Si Shagam yung sasabihin. Okay lang. Hindi yung ano na lang. Okay, Shagam.
Saan doon?
Yung part na ginulat ka ni Eros.
When I slapped him.
Yeah. Kasama yung sa script.
No. I have to snap pa. Hindi ko siya in-expect, pero nung sinampal niya ako,
yung something kasi there is the composure. Nagulat ka, but still,
Hindi
you
ka
had
na
your
wala.
composure. So, ano yung initial reaction mo and how did you compose her?
Kailangan bang aginulit?
Paano, kumbaga parang hindi ka na-distract or hindi ka na-overwhelmed. Talagang nagamit mo siya. So paano mo yun nagawa?
Siguro dahil may experiences din ako na
Joke.
Kasampal.
Nasampal ka ni Eros dahil.
Pero, talagang nag-stay lang ako talaga sa
Hindi ko alam kung nakunan ko sa camera, pero sobrang genuine ng reaction niya talagang nasampal
Yeah,
siya.
nagulat siya talaga. Parang, pero seconds lang. Oo. Tapos nag-compose ulit.
Oh, parang gusto niya yung sampal eh.
actually, nasarapan ako sa sampal.
Parang nagamit niya para ituloy yung scene. Oh, yun yung
Parang naging instrument pa siya para magkaroon ulit ako ng next na gagawin.
That's actually what we mean by Weston being so organic. Kasi accidents like that happen, but the actor accepts it and embraces it as part of the reality. So they're able to expound it into something very real and raw and part of their story. So yun yung nangyari sa kanya. Pero in the class, maraming instances na may mga ganung surprises and hindi sila bumibitaw dun sa eksena. It's a perfect example actually.
To the actors, considering that all of you, considering that your audience is also raw,
Wow.
you didn't expect customers to be here, right? They didn't expect you.
Yeah.
How hard was it to
Yeah.
deal with that?
To be in the spotlight. Yeah,
In an authentic
Yeah, okay. As an actor actually, and what we've learned is we focus on your hand. During the technique direct taught us, mawawala kasi ang environment and you will just focus on your pero and that's what we learned. So we didn't care about it. We delivered all the lines.
I saw that was easier for some than the others. What about the others?
Yeah.
Okay, sa akin naman ma'am, yun nga yung sabi ni Eros na kailangan maging ikaw yung character na binigay sa'yo. Kailangan kalimutan mo kung sinong nasa harap mo, magaling man o hindi. But sa kanya ka huhugot ng power. Kung anong character ka, dapat i-embrace mo yun. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Kasi hindi mo magagawa yung role mo pag kinalaban mo yung character na binigay sa'yo. You have to embody that character for you to easier to act or to do action or to compose kung anong gagawin mo. And thank you so much, Direk, sa
And yeah, adding to that, as theater actors, actually this is one of the main things that you have to do as an actor, that you are facing audience. So when you work in theater, when you try to improve your skills in theater, you are acting in front of a lot of people. And this is one of the strongest skills that you should build in yourself. And also adding to that, as a character, once you enter the scene, you are not the same person who were in the back scene, on the back stage. So once you enter there, everyone is just black. You cannot see anyone like from the audience. You just see who are your co-actors now. And that's the main for all the actors. Like we just act and bring our passion and everything out to let people see us. At the same time, to let our passion be shown also to others. Thank you.
I just want to add something. So most of my role is supporting the main character. So as a supporter, sorry for the word, support character, support actor.
Best supporting.
we need, I need to focus on how I have to bring out the feeling of that actor. So as the work, the workshop helps us to bring out the skill that kaya pala na i-support namin yung actor para mag-work together. Hindi lang yung siya lang.
Can I just add, ay meron pala akong lapit. So can I just add that actually the audience, no, they're also an energy. They also support the scene in front of them. So by imbibing the story, the characters, they're also giving energy to the cast members. And I'm pretty sure all your reactions were also registering and part of their flow. So kaya this is always the final stage of the workshop, is to present it to the community, because the creativity actually comes from the community. The stories, the characters, the relationships, the insights, the philosophies, the humanity, the identity of the stories come largely from their history, from their experiences, from their community, their character, the people that they met. You know, so basically we're saying, hey, we're part of the same story, we're part of the same flow. So this is just that we're trying to present a reality to you that we picked up from being in this same community. So napaka-importante, it goes full circle for us. So hindi siya distraction, actually, nakatulong yun eh. Na kunwari, maingay, so parang, kunwari si Eros, feeling niya parang, ay, pinapanood tayo ng mga kapitbahay, chismosa nila. Tignan mo, ayan o, nakikinig sila sa kitchen. They can use it actually. So yun. Salamat. We can entertain 2 more questions.
Okay. The Cordilleran actors.
Okay.
Do you think you would have been better had you been speaking in Ilocano or Kanakai? And Iman, how do you transcend that?
Yeah.
I mean, like Meryl Streep, going through all this.
Yeah. Actually, we encourage that in class. A lot of the pieces were originally in English or Tagalog. For example, yung scene ng Endo. That's actually a scene from Endo when si Candy at saka si Leo maghihiwalay na, kasi si Candy nakahanap na siya ng bagong trabaho niya sa Las Piñas. May iwan si Leo kasi hindi pwedeng umalis si Leo malayo sa pamilya niya kasi siya yung breadwinner. So actually when it was still in Tagalog, they were having a hard time. So I said, you know, do the Meissner method. So nagpapatuhan sila, Ilocano na agad. So parang it was hitting them more personally. And actually the scene, I think, became more parang resonant to them because it's something that's familiar to them. And I want Jake to see the scene kasi feeling ko even through another language, kitang-kita yung dynamic na these are 2 people who is, diba, destroyed by the economy kasi talagang sila, they're trying to survive more than keeping their relationship. So feeling ko the universality of it transcends the language, but it's beautiful to hear it in the local language. So if I had my way, actually, we'll translate everything to the local language. Diba? Kasi kita mo ang laki ng effect, diba? So yeah, more of that actually. Thank you for that question. Yes. Sorry. Ikaw ba,
Okay,
Mila?
here.
Oh, one more.
One more, this one, no? I've watched some of you in films. I've watched some of you on theater, on stage. Some of you I've seen in different, pero what's your best takeaway from your workshop?
Yeah, the Western class. Yes. O yan. Marami silang practice dyan. O ikaw.
Okay, I will start. So, parang from theater to this, parang sabi ko, bumaan. Na-differentiate ko rin naman yung kagaano to. So, grabe. Parang is a gift from heaven. Na parang,
is a big from heaven. Ano?
And ano po, yun nga po, meeting new people with different perspectives and coming together to at least sobrang dami namin tutunan na sana ma-share din namin sa iba.
Okay.
And speaking po from someone na non-actor, so parang itong workshop po yung pinaka unang activity ko.
By the way, hindi po siya si Jello, ah.
Oh no!
Oh no! Sige, tuloy mo.
Ayun nga po, prior to this, wala pong any acting experience unless ikaw...
Hindi obvious. Effective yung words.
And he came saying, I'm not an actor. So that he was very open that way.
Ayun nga po, unless ikaw po yung mga role plays ng high school, pero kidding aside po, ayun nga po, very thankful po na nakuha kong workshop, ay dahil po na yung director. Dahil tinuro niyang technique or philosophy, technology is someone na madaling i-absorb by someone like me. Yun nga. And ayun, mga nakilala ko ng mga
first session pa lang, nagla-love scene na sila ni Eros. So from zero, they don't know each other.
Zero to hero.
Yeah, nasa na sila, nasa floor, nag-group na sila.
Malagdig lang.
Because when you create a connection talaga, the actors can really go far. Kasi there's trust and there's safe space. So when that's developed already, parang dance siya. That they go wherever they want to go. Continue.
Ayun po, kasi dati, before doing this workshop, parang perception ko lang sa acting is batuhan ng lines, memorize the lines, iba-iba mo lang. Pero through this workshop, yun nga nalaman namin na may parang kailangan din ng connection. Parang yun din yung kailangan i-build ng mga actors bago sila makapagbatuhan ng lines. And yun po, yun nga, everything kasi starts with a connection eh. Pag may connection kayo, kahit na mahihayin kang tao, na parang hindi ka sanay na mag-perform sa mga maraming tao, basta pag na yung connection mo with your partner, natutunaw mo yung mga tao, yung crowd, and ang focus mo lang is to deliver your line, maintain the connection,
the
relationship po, and yun nga, and yung and your partner mismo. And yun, I think yun po yung mga important things na pumako from this workshop.
Okay. So before we end,
Ay, may magsasalita pa. Gusto ko marinig yun.
Oo naman, girl.
Before,
may time pa naman, may time pa.
Sa akin naman, yes, because this is a collaboration. Weston speaks of collaboration. So, it's a director, actor, and it's a training as well for becoming interested in becoming director. So, I really highly suggest that those are interested to get into directing.
Would you believe, like, although syempre si Julius may, na rin siya exposed na rin siya sa directing. Pero on the second day, kasi pinagalitan ko sila, they directed each other already. So they were very helpful to bring out the performances. Kasi yun yung maganda, walang hierarchy sa Western eh. You could be a director, you could be a writer, a producer, and she makes them all act. Kasi para sa kanya, yung actor talaga yung huling expression ng creatives eh. Pag pumalpak yung actor, sira lahat ng pinagpaguran ng writer, ng producer, ng director. So, kailangan na intindihan nila yung actor, huwag sila matakot sa actor. Kasi yung actor, friend nila. The actor is an ally. So, yun yung gusto gawin ni Judith na the writer is there also in the set, in the workshop para makita niya na, no, kaya pala nakikreate ng actor yung character kasi ini-imbibe niya, pinapasok niya. So para din siyang possession, di ba? So pati yung writer, nagpo-possess din siya kung nagsusulat siya. So nagkakaroon siya ng empathy. And when that empathy is developed, you create a community of artists instead of yung mga soloista na ako lang sisikat, ako lang magaling, ako lang nakapag-aaral sa Juilliard, di ba? That's not the way to go. The way to go talaga is to empower each other, which is the rest of it. Yes, you want to say something? Go ahead.
Yes, I want to hear you.
The process is totally different. And I could say that based from my experience years ago, this would apply to our character in Pedro Cordillera. We are somewhat, honestly, territorial in a way. Yes. And we usually show away new ideas and everything. This one, it embraces everything. It's just, it depends on the individual how he is going to, or she is going to take it.
May online tanong. Yeah, lupit eh.
Online.
Yeah, yung online. Yun nga, yung nag-act na kayo, what do you learn, relearn, unlearn during the workshop? Parang ganun. Ganun ang tanong. Yeah.
Ayan, si ano daw, si RJ.
Okay, sa experience ko naman, sir, at saka sa nagtanong, I've been joining the workshop, iba-iba po workshop, pero
sa Manila.
Ang kailangan ko lang baguhin talaga is yung hindi pa, mas maganda pa lang wag mong i-memorize, wag mong paghandahan yung
Wag mong planuhin.
Wag mong planuhin.
Maganda rin mo na.
Wag mong planuhin na
wag mong pangunahan.
Yung character mo, hintayin mo munang ikaw yung ipasukin mo muna yung character. Tsaka welcome mo yung character na binigay sa'yo. Huwag mong pangunahan na alam mong ikaw si Piolo bukas, dapat ikaw na si Piolo ngayon, bukas ka pa magiging Piolo. Hindi ngayon.
Antay ka
yun ang isang napag-aralan mo talaga na hindi pala pwedeng gano'n. Kasi ako, pagka sumalang talaga ako, ayaw ko yung hindi ako prepared. Ayaw ko yung hindi ako ready.
Ganda.
Pero may kailangan pala talaga.
Minsan yung preparation becomes an obstruction to creating something new or creating something fresh.
And you lose the authenticity.
Yes, yes.
Si Piolo, ikaw.
Na-discover niya yun dito sa class.
In short, kunin mo sa partner mo or sa co-actor mo yung galit mo sa kanya. Huwag mong kunin sa napanood mo. Again, kunin mo sa co-actor mo yung feeling mo, kung siya yung nanakit sa'yo, kung binigay yung character sa kanya mo mismo kunin yung galit mo, huwag sa movie. Dapat siya ang saktan mo, siya ang pagalitan mo, siya yung singilin mo, yun lang.
Ganda. Tutuloy ko lang din sa others, kasi marami dito talaga mahihayin when they went in eh. So, yeah, sige.
So, sa akin din naman sa room na workshop dito. Yung sa akin talaga is nakita ko dun, if nagawa mo ng proper, wala kang pakialam sa mga audience eh. Pero pag nagawa mo ng proper, wala. I mean, baliktad. Kung may pakialam ka pa sa mga audience, hindi mo nagagawa ng proper yung acting. Pero pag wala ka ng pakialam, meaning ginagawa mo.
Kasi sabi yung hindi mo lang iniisip kung gwapo ka pa, mukha ka ng tanga, di ba?
Tayo ka na.
Si Adi.
Nawala ka ng pakialam sa sarili, iba ka na lang sa once na.
Yeah, yeah. Kasi sa mga Cordillera actors na like, how is this effective for you?
Yung ginawa kong first scene, basta yung first scene na ginawa ko, actually English yung original na script nun. Pero nung ginagawa namin yung
Leon?
Yes, professional. Medyo nahihirapan akong gawing natural na parang kaya yun hanggang sa naging Tagalog na, at least sa Tagalog medyo lumabas yung parang medyo nakapagod ako sa role.
Actually, marami ding instances, since we're on record, na dun sa rehearsals, nag-peak talaga sila. Karalo nung Leon na kanina, yung kapatid niya talaga, yung sniper niya. So parang sabi namin, grabe, no, yung mga lumalabas, hindi namin expect sa kanya na from a very shy person, he becomes like this alpha male na talagang nasabihan niya yung kapatid niya na gusto kitang buhayin, kailangan mabuhay ka, maging sundalo ka, di ba? Kasi tonight, because of his instinct, iba yung pinunta niya, sabi niya, marami ka pang chuchumahin, sabi niya. Nadinig namin lahat, tapos sabi niya, di ba alam kung pula ka? Sabi niya wala sa likod, inunahan na yung mga LGBT stories na. Pero instinct niya yun eh. That's where it led him. So, I was really applauding him at the back. Yes.
Okay, for me, this Western thing is, like, for me, it's surprising and it's magical. Magical in a way that, you know, there's a script, but once you connect, mag-iiba yan eh. It could be for the worst or for the best. Ang maikli, mapapahapang mo yan. Exploratory, like what he said. It's really nice. Like, from an actor, as in acting, I did this actually. But then when he gave me the techniques, and what he taught us the techniques, wow, I like to direct. Yeah, I like to direct. Because, ang ganda eh. It's like they are your canvas, because like giving them their character, their role, and give energy. Like for example, give energy, give this verbs which are action verbs. Doon mo makikita na mag-animate ang kanilang emotions. Kaya actually, almost 2 days na director ang ko. And I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. So I would really like
and di ba, walang parang obstruction. It's like you're acting, you're directing, you're collaborating, walang hierarchy. And every time tinatanong namin, are you enjoying this? Is this positive to you? Is this enriching to you? Kasi sabi ko, let's not do something that we don't want to do or we feel constricted or inutusan lang tayo bumili ng suka, di ba? Pero so far, what I've seen in them is they're empowered by it. Their eyes light up. You know, they created characters out of nothing minsan, di ba, na na-discover nila. So kaya meron na rin bonding yung batch kasi nakita nila yung evolution ng bawat isa. At nagtulungan sila para makreate.
Yeah. And I'd like just to add that this acting is quite, this acting workshop is much more like viable here. You know why? I don't like to be quoted, but because, you know, here we bring out real talent. It's not superficial, right? Right, guys. It's not superficial, and we could attest to that. That you could even like what did I say? Even a 3-year-old can act using this method. So this is very
Actually,
good.
binase talaga yun sa children. Children are very good in getting what they want. So they know the behavior that gets rewarded, and they know the behavior that gets punished. So bata pa lang tayo, we've been doing wrestling.
Yeah.
So we're about to close, ha? Okay. Yeah. So thanks, Eros. Actually, I'm sure marami pa sila masasabi, and actually, marami na rin sila nasabi, and we will show that to social media soon. Kasi marami silang realization while doing it. I guess yun yung power ng Western talaga. Hindi mo siya maloloko kasi it's through them, yung na-experience nila, alam nila yung difference. When it happened to them, it felt magical. And sabi ko, no, it's not magical. That's the norm. That's what we should keep looking for. It means it's alive, it's real. So yun yung hamon namin and challenge and invitation to everyone na let's use this technology to empower ourselves as artists kasi it's available to us. So thank you for having us, Balay Studio Cafe. And I couldn't believe how many stayed and eavesdrop. And I hope you spread si Cash nandito, magpa-perform siya. I hope you stay for, such a beautiful voice. But Cash, mag-workshop ka din dito, di ba? So, thanks to everyone, to of course my team, Sina Red, Sina Romel, Sina Wright. I want to thank, of course, Shem, din sa mga mini sponsors namin sa food and everything. Okay guys, we'll keep doing this. So just message us, go to UFO Workshops Manila. We're also put it in Montañosa. Probably we'll do this twice or thrice a year, and hopefully quarterly. I hope we see you in the next one. So see you soon. Sa itong actors na to, they want to keep doing this, so we will develop programs also for this batch. So yun, thank you.
Saka sa lang viewers, pwede kayong mag-inquire kung gusto nyo.
Ayan. Kaya po na.
It's better than
Bakit
it's better than personality development. It will really help you.
Oh yeah, tama. Actually, for teens, for kids, we've done it. So, ang youngest namin was 7-year-old, ang pinakamatanda was 70 plus. So there, 7 to 70. And meron daw tayong Bakit Weston.
Yeah, bro, Bakit Weston. Last na.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, doon daw.
Bakit Weston? Dahil Weston!
Woo! Batch 5!
Batch 5!
Batch 5!
And cut.
Yay!
Congrats, guys!
We did it in record time!
Yeah.
Thank you.